such a time.
Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri yuritie aria matamukirite njanjo ya kumagitira kumana na murimu wa COVID-19 metikire guthecwo njanjo ino na makiria aria mahetwo ya mbere na matiri maraheo ya keri. Munini wa Minister Rashid Aman akiuga imwe cia njanjo ciaya kwambia guthukira kuria cigitwo.
So we need to get these vaccines into people's arms. Yeah? And given that also these vaccines, when they come, either as donations or the ones that we purchase, they also have a certain lifetime within which we must use them, rather than for them to expire and then we discard them.
Oho Aman augite kuona ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri thiini wa thi ni ruheanite mitaratara ya uheani wa njanjo kuri ciana iria ikinyitie miaka 15. Ministry ino ni gukorwo ikinyitanira na Ministry ya githomo na honge ingi kwarira mitaratara ya kwanjiriria uheani wa njanjo ino.
Plus, children under that age also can be asymptomatic. They don't have a symptom. So really, these may be areas where transmission needs to be stopped. So in that sense, I think even WHO has found it necessary that it be extended there.
Rashid Aman aritie akiamukira indo cia urigiti thibitari-ini wa urigiti wa murimu wa munyiginyigi kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, uteithio uria uheanitwo ni kambuni ya uigithia wa mbeca ya KDIC, kuria oho oritie muingi ugie na umenyereri makiria barabara-ini niguo gwithema na mitino, kuona namba nene ya arwaru a munyiginyigi ni a mitino ya barabara.
As part of these measures, I also encourage the use of reflectors for pedestrian safety, safety belt use, seat belt use, helmet use, harnesses at construction sites, not diving into shallow waters. These are some of the things that cause injuries of the nature that we're talking about.
Rashid Aman augite Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri no ihotorete gukinyaniria itanya ria gukorwo iheanite njanjo milioni 10 gugikinya muthia wa mwaka uyu. Gukinyiria riu makiria ma njanjo milioni 6 nicio iheanitwo guothe bururi-ini na mutambire wa murimu uri gicunjĩ-ini kia 1.1 harĩ 100. Angĩribotera Inoro TV, Geto Wangari Maria wa Mũigana.